package has arrived on my in my home. And what will it be? What will it be? Let's see. Okay, interesting. Okay, very nice. Very nice packed in a pink anti-static bag. Let's see what it is. Well, it's a RF Guru µPaddle. Charge it with USB-C. Okay. I think these are LEDs. Looks very nice. Wow. Let's charge this and let's charge it and try it. Okay, I charged the µPaddle and I was wondering how to switch it on, but right, we just plug it in and then it's switched on. Let's see. Very nice. Very nice. The switch is built in. As soon as you plug it in, it will switch on. Very nice. Let's see. It's very light, and it's very difficult to key with one hand, but we're gonna try. Okay, doesn't went well, but I think you have to hold it in one hand and key with your other hand. But it's working well, and it doesn't make the clicking sound. So my XYL will be happy. So she is not disturbed by the clicking sound of the key when she's watching TV and I'm training with CW keying. So let's see. No, not very good. Very difficult with to key with one hand, but I think it will be better when I hold it in one hand and key with the other hand. But it works very well, and I like it. I like the design, and yes, very nice.